Here are 6 annoying things about the latest model Audi A3. Number 1. Auto Off Engine. The Auto Off feature is now on by default, forcing you to press that button every time you get in the car if you don't want the engine to turn off every time you come to a stop. Number 2. The Cup Holder Predicament. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are great features, but having no place to put your phone will force you to occupy or cover one of the cup holders. Number 3. Rear View Camera in Drive. When shifting from reverse to drive, the rear view camera remains active until you start accelerating to a certain speed over a set duration. This is quite annoying when you need other information to display immediately, such as directions, and it requires a press of the back button every time. Number 4. Pop-up and auto close display. Every time you open the door, with the ignition on or off, the screen recedes, disabling the audio. This can be very annoying if you need to leave the car briefly and don't want the audio to stop. Number 5. The seats. Although the seats are fairly comfortable, the midsection of the seats are only adjustable in the forward position. There is no way to make it flush. If you find this annoying, you are not alone. Number 6. Visibility. The front, rear, and passenger sides are all easy to see out of, but when you turn your head to the left, all you see is a very wide pillar. This creates a larger blind spot and makes merging left a bit more difficult than even my Audi TT. So there you have it, 6 annoying things about the latest model Audi A3.